Welcome to our channel, Storm Rider. If you're in the market for a luxury motorhome that blends performance, comfort, and advanced technology, the 2026 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 deserves a serious look. This latest model in Forest River's popular Georgetown lineup pushes the envelope of what a Class A gas motorhome can offer. It's designed for travelers who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing the comforts of home. And it manages to deliver that balance beautifully. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Georgetown GT5 is its striking exterior design. Rides on a Ford F53 chassis with a 7.3-liter V8 engine, offering both durability and power. This chassis-engine combination provides a confident driving experience with plenty of torque for highway climbs and smooth acceleration even when fully loaded. The exterior is finished with full-body paint options, sleek modern graphics, and new LED lighting that enhances both style and safety. Large panoramic windows wrap around the cabin, giving it a clean and upscale look, while also providing excellent visibility from the driver's seat. The large electric awning with integrated LED lighting adds a touch of luxury when setting up camp, and the exterior storage compartments are spacious and easy to access, making it practical for long trips. Stepping inside the Georgetown 5 Series GT5 feels like walking into a small, high-end apartment on wheels. The 2026 model features redesigned interiors with a focus on comfort, technology, and premium materials. The floor plan options have been improved for better flow and usability, with multiple slide-outs creating generous living spaces. The living area includes power reclining theater seats with cup holders and USB charging ports, facing a large LED smart TV that's mounted above an optional electric fireplace. The solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, and residential-style cabinetry give the kitchen a refined look, while the pantry and overhead storage provide ample room for all your cooking essentials. The kitchen layout includes a 3-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, and a residential refrigerator, perfect for extended stays on the road. One of the things owners appreciate most about the Georgetown 5 Series is the thoughtfulness that goes into every corner of the design. The cockpit, for instance, has been reimagined for 2026 with digital displays, touchscreen controls, and ergonomically placed switches. The captain and co-pilot chairs are fully adjustable, upholstered in soft touch materials, and can swivel to face the living area when parked, turning the driving space into part of the lounge. There's even a drop-down bunk option above the cab for extra sleeping capacity, ideal for families or guests. The large panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road, making driving both enjoyable and confidence-inspiring. Moving toward the rear, the bathroom and bedroom areas show Forest River's commitment to comfort and convenience. The bathroom features a glass shower door, skylight, porcelain toilet, and modern fixtures that wouldn't feel out of place in a residential setting. The master bedroom is a highlight, with a king-size bed, generous wardrobe space, and a second smart TV. Many models include washer-dryer prep, allowing for even greater self-sufficiency during long trips. LED lighting throughout the interior creates a warm and energy-efficient ambiance, while high-efficiency climate control ensures comfort in any season. In terms of technology, the 2026 Georgetown 5 Series GT5 steps up its game. The RV includes a state-of-the-art multiplex wiring system that lets you control lighting, slides, awnings, and even tank levels from a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Wi-Fi prep and 4G connectivity options make it easy to stay connected on the go, while integrated solar prep and an upgraded inverter system enhance off-grid capability. There's also a premium sound system with Bluetooth, USB, and satellite connectivity, perfect for movie nights or road trip playlists. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The GT5 includes side and rear view cameras, automatic traction control, and adaptive cruise assist for smoother long drives. Performance-wise, the Ford 7.3L V8 Godzilla engine gives the Georgetown GT5 impressive power, with around 350 horsepower and 468 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough to handle mountain grades and towing duties, as the RV comes equipped with a heavy-duty hitch rated for up to 5,000 pounds. The suspension has been tuned for better stability and less body roll, which means you'll feel more confident behind the wheel, even on winding roads. Drivers will also appreciate the new electronic stability controls, automatic hydraulic leveling system, and the quieter cabin thanks to improved sound insulation. Forest River's engineering team has clearly focused on making this motorhome not just comfortable to live in, but enjoyable to drive. Something not all large RVs can claim. When it comes to utility and convenience, the Georgetown 5 Series continues to impress. The exterior features large pass-through storage with slam-latch baggage doors, making it easy to stow larger items like camping gear, chairs, or grills. The integrated exterior entertainment center includes a TV and speakers under the awning, turning your campsite into an outdoor living room. The 2026 model also adds improved water management with a centralized utility station that simplifies connections for water, waste, and power. An onboard generator and optional solar panel upgrades mean you can stay off-grid longer, and the energy-efficient design helps extend battery life and reduce fuel consumption. One of the biggest selling points of the Georgetown GT5 is the balance between luxury and practicality. It's designed for travelers who want a high-end experience, but still appreciate ease of maintenance and everyday usability. Every detail feels thoughtfully designed, from the soft close drawers to the intuitive control panels and the comfortable lighting layout. Forest River has paid attention to the small things that make a big difference during extended trips, like improved insulation, dual-pane windows for noise reduction, and better airflow throughout the coach. Ultimately, the 2026 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 represents a refined evolution of one of the most trusted Class A gas motorhomes on the market. It combines bold styling, powerful performance, and modern amenities in a way that appeals to both seasoned RV owners and newcomers looking for their first big rig. Whether you're planning to tour national parks, cross the country, or enjoy weekend getaways with family, this motorhome offers a smooth ride, residential comfort, and advanced technology that make life on the road feel effortless. It's not just about traveling anymore, it's about traveling in style, and the Georgetown 5 Series GT5 makes that possible. If you've been considering an upgrade or stepping into the world of luxury motorhomes, the 2026 Georgetown GT5 deserves a test drive. With its combination of power, design, and innovation, it stands out as a top contender in the gas-powered Class A category. Forest River continues to show why it's a leader in RV craftsmanship, blending rugged reliability with modern sophistication, and the GT5 is proof that adventure and comfort can coexist beautifully.